The Oregon Cascades, a majestic mountain range known for its towering peaks and volcanic history, holds a secret beneath its rugged exterior. Scientists have recently discovered a massive aquifer hidden deep underground. This aquifer, a vast reservoir of fresh water, has the potential to reshape our understanding of the region's geology and provide a vital resource for the Pacific Northwest. Imagine a mountain range, not just as a solid mass of rock, but as a complex system of underground channels and reservoirs. This is the reality of the Oregon Cascades, where volcanic activity has shaped the landscape both above and below ground. The discovery of the hidden aquifer adds a new layer of intrigue to this already fascinating region. The presence of such a large aquifer beneath the Cascades raises many questions. How did it form? How much water does it hold? And perhaps most importantly, how can we access this resource responsibly? These are just some of the questions that scientists are now beginning to explore. An aquifer is an underground layer of rock or sediment that holds groundwater. Think of it as a giant sponge, with tiny spaces between the rock particles filled with water. Aquifers can be small, like underground lakes, or vast, stretching for hundreds of miles. The newly discovered aquifer beneath the Oregon Cascades is one of these massive underground reservoirs. To put its size into perspective, imagine a body of water larger than some of the Great Lakes hidden beneath the mountains. This gives you an idea of the sheer scale of this hidden water source. The discovery of the Cascade Aquifer was the result of years of geological research. Scientists had long suspected that the volcanic rocks beneath the Cascades could hold significant amounts of water. However, it was only through advanced imaging techniques and the analysis of seismic waves that the true extent of the aquifer was revealed. Volcanic rocks, formed from cooled and solidified lava, are often porous and permeable. This means they can hold significant amounts of water, acting like giant underground sponges. The Cascade Range, with its long history of volcanic activity, provided the perfect conditions for the formation of a large aquifer. Section 4. The Cascade Aquifer, a boon for the Pacific Northwest. The discovery of the Cascade Aquifer has the potential to be a game-changer for the Pacific Northwest. The region, though known for its rainfall, faces increasing water demands from a growing population and agriculture. The aquifer could provide a much-needed source of fresh water for communities and industries. However, tapping into this hidden resource comes with challenges. Scientists need to determine the best way to extract water from the aquifer without damaging it or depleting it faster than it can replenish. Sustainable management of this resource will be crucial to ensuring its long-term viability. Section 5. Water and fire, a volcanic connection. The presence of a massive aquifer beneath a volcanic mountain range might seem contradictory, but it highlights the complex relationship between water and fire in geological processes. Volcanic activity, while often associated with heat and destruction, can also play a role in creating and shaping underground water systems. The heat from volcanic activity can create hydrothermal features, such as hot springs and geysers, where groundwater is heated and rises to the surface. These features are not only visually stunning, but also serve as reminders of the dynamic forces at work beneath our feet. Section 6. The future of the Cascade Aquifer. The discovery of the Cascade Aquifer is just the beginning of a long journey of exploration and understanding. Scientists are now working to map the aquifer in more detail, determine its recharge rate, and assess the potential impacts of extraction. Balancing the need for water resources with the importance of protecting this unique geological formation will be a key challenge in the years to come. Further research and careful planning are essential to ensure that the Cascade Aquifer benefits the region for generations to come. Section 7. Hidden Depths, a call to curiosity. The discovery of the hidden aquifer beneath the Oregon Cascades serves as a powerful reminder that our planet still holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered. It underscores the importance of scientific exploration and the need to look beyond the surface to understand the complex systems that shape our world. As we continue to explore the hidden depths of our planet, who knows what other wonders we might find? The Earth is full of surprises, and it is through curiosity, observation, and scientific inquiry that we can begin to unravel its mysteries.